In this video, what I got here is the WeJoy bamboo table. Check this thing out. So it comes in this nice little bag here. Not much to it. It is kind of a windy day here, so you know, I'm out here on the lake and it's a little bit windy, but you can kind of see how this thing works. It's a nice bamboo finish on the top, and you see very sturdy feeling. And these legs are actually got points in them that'll make it go down in the sand better. So it kind of just closes up like that. I got me some sangria, non-alcoholic, because we are in a state park. Look at these cutouts right here. So these cutouts are actually designed for a wine glass. Just like that, you're all set. That's not gonna go anywhere, even though it is kind of windy out here. Ain't that awesome? Look at that right there. And then an umbrella will slide down in this hole. So if you need to put an umbrella, that's what that hole in the center is for right there. So yeah, there it is. And the good thing about having the wine glass here is it's locked in, so it's not gonna be blown away. It's kind of a windy day out. And having it, if I put it here, there's a potential it's gonna get blown away, but putting it right there, it seemed to work just perfectly. So that's it, everybody. That's the WeJoy bamboo table. Check that thing out. Highly recommend this thing. Really nice quality, really good finish to it. Just looks good. So that's kind of like a beach and home kind of mix of both. So that's it. Let's go get some paddleboarding in. Woo!